Okay, we'll start now. Just can anyone make sure that am I audible clearly? If
Yes,
anyone
yes,
can.
clear audible. Yeah.
Okay, thank you and so much. So everyone, hello everyone. Welcome to the today's session of orientation of SEC and GFG Club. So you all might be wondering, like SEC and GFG both seems to be two different clubs, but why are we having a common orientation session for both these clubs? So for this question, I won't answer this question right now. You guys will have to wait till the end of the session. So now let's start with the introduction of GFG Student Chapter VIIT. Next slide, please. Geeks for Geeks. Our tagline: compete, collaborate, code. So Geeks for Geeks is an international platform. You all might be knowing that it is a platform helping students regarding the programming or technology related doubts and problems. Uh, Geeks for Geeks conducts various webinars, workshops, test series, etc. And it also adds another layer to your knowledge. Geeks for Geeks also help you with various technology and programming related problems, which you might be facing during your engineering studies or syllabus related or problems which might be asked in your interview. Next slide, please. So Geeks for Geeks Club uh, VIIT is actually a sub part of the Geeks for Geeks. So this is a club setup which conducts various activities. So we have activities regarding web development, app development, competitive programming, and various other technical domains. We also arrange various workshops, quizzes, and test series. So you all will be getting information about all these things in the next slides by my friend Rajupade. Varad, over to you.
Okay, thanks a lot, Prasad. So, hello guys, I am Varad Rajapadhyay. I hope I'm visible. Yeah, hello guys, I'm Varad Rajapadhyay, and I'll give you a brief introduction about what domains GFGVIT and what domains it is into and what does it conduct actually. So app development. So we have three teams basically. You might have seen in the previous slide. We have app development, web development, competitive programming team, and our when we have project team also. So the objective of this app development team is to learn and develop different applications using the Flutter framework. Boost your confidence in building Android applications. Your applications means Android applications, and enhance your thinking ability and creative ability, and your UI development things, and learn about APIs, Firebase databases, and how to make mobile app wireframes and make beautiful UIs. So we have a very good team here. We have Suraj and Keyur. They are guiding you excellent. They guide you excellently in doing projects. You currently the projects that they are working and helping the SY students are, that is Book Rental app and NutriTrack. That is an app to track your daily calorie consumption. These are just the examples that I'm giving you. So what we basically do is the idea is yours. We just help you and we provide you the resources to build your idea, to guide you, to promote you, and help you in every possible way. So yeah, that was for app development. And moving on towards competitive coding. So let us see what exactly competitive coding. When I was in FY, I didn't have a clue what is competitive programming or what is CP. So here is a long definition. I'll just read it for you. Competitive programming is a type of mind sport where you'll have to solve some programming problems with time and memory constraints to come up with an algorithm to do so. So I'll just share you the Geeks for Geeks website, and it will give you it will give you an idea about it. Okay, so yeah. So competitive programming is actually, see, here is a problem that is a competitive programming problem. I'm on Geeks for Geeks website, practice.geeksforgeeks.org. So here is a competitive programming problem. You have to check if a certain given data structure is you have to check whether it's a binary search tree. So they have given there is a certain runtime memory limit, and you have to code in such a way that your program passes the given test cases. There are test cases and you have to pass them. So what exactly we at GFG VIIT do? Let us see more about it. So it is mostly about passing test case scenarios and within the time and memory constraint I just said it. And this sometimes requires you to think outside the box. It requires logic building and um, solving various types of DS algo questions. So yeah, why is this important in your programming career? So this is important because every other company that comes to interview you, whether on campus interview or off campus interview, you require you require DS algo, and practicing DS algo in competitive other than like practicing DS algo in competitive programming will help you will get you miles ahead in your journey for interviews. So yeah. So our team, what exactly our team does is we conduct regular test series. We conduct quizzes. We present facts about coding. We give brief about programming languages. We arrange practice tests on various coding platforms. Competitive coding is nothing but the domain of the coding. And make sure you subscribe to, make sure you follow our Instagram channel. Our team regularly posts some interesting MCQs there. Make sure you attempt those. It will really help you. Like I'm telling you, it will really help you. So we conduct a series at the end of each month. So yeah. So moving forward to web development and app development, we have similar things going on. So what I explained in app development, same things we work in web development, but the difference is we work on the tech stack used here is different. We use HTML, CSS, SAS, JavaScript, and like whatever. So basically the idea is same. You bring us your idea, we will help them build your ideas here. Like you have if you have an idea of building some kind of a website like cryptocurrency application, like we will provide you the resources. For example, if you don't know anything about web development, just come to us, we'll help you out. We'll provide you resources which will help you learn which will help you learn web development. We want you to learn all these kind of tech stack because this is going to help you a lot. So we are doing a fantastic work here. We conduct seminars. We recently have a web development roadmap. Like we have lots of interesting thing going on here. So now I would like to hand over to Prasad. Prasad, over to you.
Yeah. So, guys, are you clear with what all things Varat said regarding the web development, app development, and also competitive programming? Put in the chat box that you have understood what he explained to you. I want everyone to be active and respond in this session. Okay, that's a great response. Now I'll ask you a next question. As you have just entered your first year of engineering, and in our college and in every engineering college, there is a thing called as PBL, project-based learning. So, are you guys aware of it? Yes. So I think I'm receiving this response for the PBL. So what is a PBL? A PBL is a project-based learning which carries your marks for the SCE component. And in that you have to make projects regarding, like if you are having Python as your subject, so you will have to make projects regarding Python. If your subject is C or C++, so you will have to make projects related to those subjects. So next slide, please, Varad. So actually, we will be setting up a project team soon in GFG Club. So this project team will be actually helping and working on helping the FY students regarding their PBLs, and we will be guiding you for the various projects related to the Python, C, C++ languages. So information regarding this will be shared with you soon. Next slide, please, Varat. Okay, so now let's talk about the events which we have conducted in this year, Varat. Yeah, okay. So we had Code Fiesta, which was a test series. We also had Code Mania. We had a web development roadmap to web development session. It was conducted by Varad. And next was a Codigo test series session. Then we also had 9 days of coding. Like in the Navratri season, we had kept 9 days of coding session, so which was actually a very unique idea. Next, we also had open source session by Omkar Prabhune. So you will also get information what is open source and everything. So for that, you will have to be active and participate in all the activities conducted by GFG. Do follow our Instagram for regular updates, and also as Bharat said that we also post questions and problems on our Instagram story. So if you follow our Instagram story, so you will be regularly updated. Next slide, Bharat. So now talking about what all events we are planning to conduct in the coming months. So we are going to have a data structure test. We are going to have podcast, DSA glossary, as I said, FY PBL team mentorship, projects, tech blogs, information on open source, and also we are soon going to have a hackathon arranged by GFG Club via IIT, and also conferences and paper published. Next slide, Bharat. So you all guys might be wondering ki, which all languages should I start with? Should I start with C? Should I start with Python? Should I start with C++? Or you might be having hundreds of doubts regarding coding and programming languages. Bharat, next slide, please. So to clear your doubts, we are going to have a session on 27th of January at 4 p.m. A talk with Piyush Bali. So Piyush Bali is a senior, and he's also like we'll also be sharing more details about him. So the session will be about languages, choice and preferences, data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, and much more. So don't forget to be present for the session and get your doubts cleared. Next slide. So that was all from GFG side. Now we'll start with student empowerment cell, SEC cell introduction. But before that, I forgot to introduce myself and Varad. Myself, Prasad Ghede. I'm the vice president in committee of GFG, and Varad is the webmaster in our committee. Thank you so much. Over to you, Sanskriti and Sakshi.
Thank you, Prasad. So, am I clearly audible? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, Sakshi.
Okay, thanks. So, good evening, everyone. Myself, Sakshi Durandale. So, guys, for all of us to grow and shape our futures, our technical knowledge might not be sufficient. You require many more things than that. And that will be helpful for your career, not only in engineering, but in every aspect of your life. So, now you might be wondering why we are talking about all this here. So, here is your answer. Next slide, please. Okay, so let us first understand what SEC is. So, Student Empowerment Cell is among those cells in VIIT which has come up with different perspectives to work on technical and non-technical aspects in a definite ratio, by means of which every student can work on them and get best out of it. So, SEC, Student Empowerment Cell, as the name suggests, it is about empowering students by building their confidence. But how? So how we do is that we by enabling students to work on their soft skills like public speaking, leadership qualities, their presentation skills, and many more. So SEC does not preaches only the importance of self-confidence, but also creates the platform to practice and enhance your skills for those students who lack in their skills. So next slide, please. Okay, if anyone has any doubts, you can put in the chat box. So let us understand how we do all this. So here is the list of activities which are conducted by SSC in past years, like introspection, enhance your speech, expand your horizon, and there are many more. So rather than just reading the list, we will go to them individually. Next slide, please. Okay, so now we can see the SCC event. So here is the first one, introspection. So, is everyone with me? Can I have a yes in the chat box? Please type a yes in the chat box. Okay, thanks. So, as you can see, everyone needs some push at the time when we feel stuck somewhere, disturbed, confused, or might feel depressed sometimes during your 4 years of engineering. So here was a glimpse of events which we conducted in November 2021. And trust me, if you were there, then your heart too would have been filled up with lots of motivation and positive energy. As you can see, the name of event was Introspection, Step Towards the Self-Discovery. And the speaker we had was Yash Tiwari, who is a well-known youth leader. He had 6 times the TEDx talks, and he is also a global mental health awareness advocate. So he motivated us very well. And there is a saying called as when there is a hope, even when your brain tells you there isn't. So we might do that work very well to provide you some motivation. So I hope you all will get motivated after this event. But after then what? From where you should start. So we are all here to help you. Next slide, please. Okay. So I guess I need not to tell you all the importance of the English speaking skills. We know how English speaking skills are important. But let me tell you a thing. Your personality, confidence, and your command on language can really make a difference. So recently we conducted an event called as Enhance Your Speech, where the speaker was Dr. Surbhi Saraswat, who had 14 years of teaching experience in Amity University, and she has also authored some books. So she really explained well about different parts and parcels of English speaking, like 7 C's in efficient communication, pronunciation techniques, and also gave some of the reference links and books too. Next slide, please. This was all about the event that we conducted for giving you and telling you the importance of English speaking skills. But how we individually make you practice and enhance your skills personally. So here is the answer. Last year we conducted different orator activities like Pictofuel, Filmania, and many more, where students participated and improved their speaking skills and gained confidence. Also, you can see the winners, which we have posted on our Instagram handles. So you must do check our follow all our handles, because we are not posting the content only about our activities, but we are posting really informative things there. So by which you can keep you updated, and this will be helpful for you. So I think links are in the chat box. Everyone, please check and do follow our social media handles. So coming back to the events, next slide, please. Okay, so this was the event Expand Your Horizon, where we give the information about everything you need to know about full stack development. So the prerequisites for it, the techniques you need to learn for this, the reference links, and many more. So this was about the full stack development skills which we gave in the event. So there are many different kinds of events in which we gave you information about different things. So what after gaining these skills, are you really think like you're a job ready person or you're really marketable? So I will say no, because rather than these skills, you need many more things such as your LinkedIn profile, which must be updated, then your resume, your aptitude skills should be perfect, and many more. So we also have a solution for this. So now I will hand over to Sanskriti. Over to you, Sanskriti.
Yes, thank you, Sakshi. Next slide, please. Okay, so as we have already come across various activities that takes place in our club, let's move ahead without taking anyone's much time. So that is one of the most important session or event we can say that we have conducted that is named as Getting Acquainted with LinkedIn, in which like many of you might be aware, but considering like all of you are FEs and so were we before first year, many of you may be aware about many of the things related to LinkedIn, how important it is. But for a few of them, many things are new and they don't know. But no worries. So yeah, as LinkedIn is one of the most important and the most essential professional platform that one student or like when you enter in the age of 18 to 25, when you are in the stage when you're building your career and thinking about what career you should make and what actually is the thing that you should think for your profession. So LinkedIn is one of the most important professional platforms which actually provides you lots of opportunities. But how to come across such opportunities is very important. Like you need directions to practice the things. So the speaker, that is ma'am Mrs. Shweta Oja, were being invited, and she has shared her insightful speakings and her insightful knowledge with us, which literally which helped us to for building our profiles, what small things because small things matters a lot, and what we should take care about our profiles. Next slide, please. So yes, the secondly, it's about resume building. One of the session was also being conducted on this, that is resume building, because when you enter in a corporate world, when before that when you'll face the interviews, and when you'll be keeping your identity, like what are your skill sets, when you'll be done with your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your threats, and what opportunities have you came across in your life. So like in the best best possible way, how can you define yourself with respect to the requirement of the company, or with respect to the requirement wherever you will be applying yourself for, as working as an employee or anything. So this is one of the most important thing that we as a students, as an engineers, as the youth of the world have to take this thing consideration into our mind, that is resume building. So what are those small things that are literally very important that we should take care of? Because that's the thing, right? हमें बहुत कुछ पता होता है, but हमें वो ज्यादा पता होना चाहिए कि सामने वाले को क्या चाहिए. So that is one of the most important thing, that you should know and look at things with respect to perspectives, what your professional or what your company wants, and hence you can shape yourself, you can make yourself the best possible person, or the best candidate they can see in you, and hence they can select you as manager, as employee, as a best coder, or whatever. Next slide, please. Cool. So one of the most important thing, that is test series. Um, here in SEC, we do conduct the and we do take aptitude test that comprises of various questions, like talk about verbal section, English, communications, aptitude, or whatever the things are. Many of you guys might be aware of the thing, right? Because, and irrespective of considering it with respect to just one exam, but aptitude is one of the most important thing that is very essential, and we can say it's the mandatory one with respect to any examination you take in the field of this world. For example, though you talk about MBA exams, which comprises of CAT, or talk about GMAT, or you even talk about like without taking different things but talking in a straight way, जब आप 2-3 साल बाद इंटरव्यूज फेस करोगे, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जब आपको एक सबसे फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जब आप फेस करते हो कि आपको एक एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट सीरीज, आपको एप्टीट्यूड एग्जाम देनी पड़ती है, जो कि व्हेन कंपनीज रिक्रूट यू, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट द हायरिंग प्रोसेस, you come across the aptitude exam, जहां पर आपको questions crack करने होते हैं, which is the most basic thing. But that's also one of the important thing, that you should not take it as granted or lightly. Otherwise that's only the most basic round, जो जिसमें आपको काफी अच्छा करना चाहिए एंड करना होगा, तभी आप आगे के राउंड्स में क्वालिफाई करोगे. So yeah, test series which comprises of various questions which covers coding section, which covers language section, like for example, English and verbal section. You guys will even come across MCAT exam. में से काफी लोग इससे familiar होंगे what MCAT is actually. So yeah, with respect to that perspective, those things are also being covered in this domain. Next slide, please. Ask the experienced. You can even recognize it from the name. Basically, we usually conduct these sessions each year. So, where numerous seniors, जो कि काफी like they have have placed into a good companies, they come and they do share their experiences. They talk about their journeys. They talk about what things they have went through, how was their hiring process. आप किन चीजों के सामने आते हो, you need stories. You even need to hear people, your elders, your mentors, your seniors, कि चीजें कैसे होती हैं, so that you can mentally be prepared with respect to it. So yeah, seniors come and they do share their experiences, like exactly क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. उनकी गलतियों से हमें भी सीखने को मिलता है कि what they have did and what we should not do. So in which they talk about various things, though you take it as a coding, though you take it as a aptitude वाला section, कि आपको ये सुनने को मिलेगा कि हम चीजों में काफी अच्छे हैं, but time कम पड़ा, इसलिए हम वो नहीं कर पाए, and we lagged there. So इसलिए, like you can say time management, so we lacked in time management, but I was doing all the answers. मुझे सारे answers आते थे, लेकिन time कम पड़ गया, इसलिए मैं वहाँ कम पड़ गया या कम पड़ गई. So that was one thing. So like you mentally be prepared for the things that you'll be coming across in the future. So yeah, these sessions are mostly about it. Next slide, please. Okay, finally. So it's interview ethics. Um, Basically in SEC, that is Student Empowerment Cell. Interview ethics, this session was being conducted by us, where we have invited our seniors, we can say our alumni. Now they have got placed in the companies, in which you can see here on the slide itself, that is Sachi Kothari and Rishika Desai. So these both were being invited, and they have shared their experiences. They have enlightened us with their experience and what things you should take care of while you face the interviews. So like it's really very important. Like one of the most important thing is, like we say, right? You should even learn from the mistakes or experience of others, and hence when you come across such many seniors, many stories, you learn many things, and hence there are many chances of getting succeeded within less attempts. So that was about it. Next slide, please. Cool. So finally, SEC planned events, like we hope and we are really eagerly waiting for you guys to come across you and get to know you all too, and like we'll working together. So talking about SEC's planned events, जो कि अभी और किए जाएंगे, and they are, you can see here, ask the experience. As I have already said, that each year this is one of the common session that has been kept, because one of the most, because one thing is like हर साल चीजें update होती हैं, and even that is a thing, like when you even come across the hiring process or interview rounds, new things are also being added various new things are being added in the interview rounds too. And so चीजें बदलती है, so like we should be even get updated with our seniors too, like interviews में और क्या नई चीजें होती हैं. So yeah, you each year you get updated with it. And secondly, it's HR talks. One of the most important thing is, yeah, that is true, you have entered in engineering. It's more like engineering is just more about coding and just technical stuffs. But one of the most important thing is, apart from coding, you actually need to shape yourself in a 360-degree way. Like, you just don't need to be amazing in coding, but you have to also develop your soft skills as well, which is really one of the most important part, or we can say is the requirement in for this corporate world. So yeah, SEC is here for you, which will actually shape you as an individual who will be good technically plus non-technically as well. And I hope you guys are with me. I would just like to get a confirmation, like you can even type a yes in the chat box. Great, that's great. Thank you so much. So yeah, HR talks, you can HR सुनने के बाद आप लोगों के दिमाग में ये आया होगा, like some of you might be having those insights कि हम आगे MBA करेंगे, मेरा interest non technical में है, or I am more into non technical, I am a MBA kind of a person. So that's all it is about. You can even see coding domain as well. You can even come across a non-coding domain as well. So all of you are always welcome here. Come here, explore yourself, know for what you are made for, know what things are made for you, and just go for it, make the decisions, and plan your future. And thirdly, it's roadmap to dream companies. This session will be comprising where it's more similar to Ask the Experience, but yeah, if we say it like dream companies measure हमारे seniors, yeah, whoever has been got placed in good companies. So what are the things that led them to go where they are right now? And they will be sharing their experiences with us. They'll be talking about what they have went through, what they have practiced among those years, जो कि वो कहते हैं ना, like वो आज जिस मुकाम पे हैं वो कैसे पहुंचे. So kind of a motivational, or you'll get a boost energy कि हाँ, you'll get a guidance type कि sometimes you too have lots of things or lots of you can say in your heart and bread कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, but समझ में नहीं आता कि कैसे करना है, कैसे start करना है. So you just need to be very open and just explore yourself. Don't put any restrictions towards you. जितने ज्यादा लोगों को सुनोगे उतनी ज्यादा नॉलेज मिलेगी, उतने ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंसेस सुनने मिलेंगे, उतनी ज्यादा स्टोरीज के सामने आओगे. एंड एट लास्ट यू कैन एनालाइज योरसेल्फ लाइक हाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट फॉर योर ड्रीम्स. Next is motivational talk show. As the name itself suggests, it will be a motivational talk show which will kind of boost your soul for sometimes you may feel down, like that's normal. So yeah, it comprises of it. And the last one of the most important thing, that is mock interview drive. इसमें बेसिकली ये किया जाएगा कि we will be conducting mock interviews. For example, I can take the help of IAS Drishti, that is one of the most famous thing with respect to UPSC and IAS exam. But it's not just with respect to UPSC, but हाँ, आप लोगों को उससे ध्यान में आ गया होगा कि what I meant to say. So जैसे mock interviews होते हैं, उसी तरह से this is one of the idea कि mock interview drive will be taking place, जिसमें you will be shaped, और kind of we can say आपको training दी जाएगी कि इंटरव्यूज कैसे होते हैं, कैसे होने चाहिए, आपको इंटरव्यूज में कैसे परफॉर्म करना चाहिए. सो या दैट विल बी probably it will be about it. Next slide please. So yeah, finally, without taking much of anyone's time, there might have occurred one question, and even in the starting itself, Prasad to have put a highlight on the point कि starting में GFG का presentation दिया गया है and अभी we are with SEC. So like what's exactly the thing is. So if you have enjoyed and if you have wondered in the journey of this presentation, as I've already said, you should be, good enough in this 360-degree mode. कि जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ कोडिंग आनी चाहिए, but you should be even good in soft skills. So yeah, GFG, that is Geeks for Geeks, will for sure will help you with respect to web development, coding, and whatever the things. There are lots, like software is never ending field, right? You guys are even like, I can see many tech enthusiasts here, and I can see like are these FEs are so excited one, and we are really glad to see you all in this way. And so yeah, that's the thing, like you will be even shaped with respect to technical terms. And when you talk about like in a non-technical way, SEC, that is Student Empowerment Cell, is here in front of you to help you um, for or to make you a better citizen. You can even see here, empower today to flourish your tomorrow, because it's learning is also in a never-ending process, and you need to go through many things. So SEC and GFG is here for you all, which will give you a confidence to make a person who can take decisions for his or her future, and can go for the destiny and the dreams to accomplish. And now I request, like, if any one of you have any questions, you guys can please put those questions in the chat box.